Cooking at home offers a range of benefits that can transform your life in more ways than one. First and foremost, it's healthier. When you cook your own meals, you have complete control over the ingredients, allowing you to avoid unhealthy additives and excessive amounts of salt and sugar often found in restaurant dishes. Not only is it better for your health, but cooking at home also saves you money. Eating out frequently can be expensive, with costs adding up quickly. By purchasing your own ingredients and preparing meals at home, you can significantly reduce your food expenses. Additionally, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. It's an opportunity to try new recipes, experiment with flavors, and develop your culinary skills. It can also be a great way to spend quality time with family and friends, creating lasting memories in the process. Another benefit is the ability to cater to your own dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, or have specific food allergies, cooking at home ensures that your meals are tailored to your unique requirements. In today's busy world, it's easy to fall into the habit of grabbing food on the go. But by taking the time to cook at home, you're investing in your health, your wallet, and your well-being. So why not give it a try? Start with simple recipes, gradually build your confidence, and discover the joys and benefits of home cooking.